Was that the bite of 87?
Hey kitty, are you being a cutesy? Jesus Christ. Oh, what's up guys, it's me, Chef Boy. Second video here during the week, during my free video posts. Today, next up we'll be eating the I don't want to say what it is because I think I might vomit if I do. Okay, I'm going to say it. Gummy Bologna. Disgusting. But guess what? It doesn't matter. We're going to be eating it now. Open this up real quick. Also, we got our kitty cat over here to join us during the food review. Open this up. There's like 5 or 4 slices. I have to count when I burn that motherfucker to the ground. Burn it, burn it, burn it. Burn it. Yeah. Get him out. I think I might do a dummy buster during this video if I have enough time. If I'm not tired. Woo! Look at that. A big old stick of gummy Let's have a big old bite out of this thing, shall we? Get this? You wanna see it? I don't think she likes it either. She was looking at it like. But hey, it's like a big ass bite out of this thing. Alright. 3, 2, 1. It's peculiar, hmm? Yeah. It tastes like shit. We're gonna burn it now. Now that you're on the other side of the rear, let's light this motherfucker ablaze. Here we go. Okay, hold on. Okay, we got it on fire. Come on. Get to where I want you to be. Burn that motherfucker to the ground. Burn it. Yeah. Burning the edges. Hopefully we'll get to the middle. I think we gotta do a little bit of my magic here. As in lighter feel. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh goodness gracious. Oh, look at it burning. Look at that. Yeah. Burn, bitch. It's charring. Oh, yeah. I can't, oh my god. There's smoke in my face. Oh yeah, look at that. Burn to a crisp. I can't really zoom in. I don't know why it's not going to do this. Look at that. I gotta get up close and personal with this deal. Yeah. It's done for. Look at that. I'm gonna zoom in on it. Burnt. Alright, the fire's going away. Now to get a better look at it. Look at that. Yeah. It's charcoal now. Like it deserves to be. Burn even more. Yeah. Burn. Burn. Go to hell. Yeah. Whew. Oh. Feels nice. Yeah. That's how we do it. That is how we exterminate disgusting food on this YouTube channel. If the cotton candy is disgusting, it'll end up like that as well. That's how it is. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I definitely enjoyed it, I guess. There's gonna be one more coming after this one, so stay tuned. Other than that, goodbye. See ya.